and today I am here to express the topic that is photosynthesis part, phases of the mechanism photosynthesis. In the previous videos we have discussed about the topic related to the photosynthesis, that is meaning, definition and the site of photosynthesis by the help of a structural explanation process of photosynthesis, and in the other video we have already discussed the detailed structure of chloroplast. But in this video we are going to discuss the mechanism of photosynthesis. As we already know, the photosynthesis have two phases. First phase is called light phase and second phase is called dark phase. So in this video we will discuss the phase number 1, that is light phase. So dear student, I would like to tell you that the light phase occurs in the membrane of thylakoid of chloroplast. As you know that in the leaf structure there is the mesophyll cells, and these mesophyll cells are made up of palisade and spongy tissues, and these tissues contain the structure that is called chloroplast. Inside this chloroplast we found the structure that is called thylakoid, the coin-like structure, and this thylakoid again contain the chlorophyll pigments, and these chlorophyll pigments are very much helpful in the formation of food in the process photosynthesis. So next step for that process photosynthesis, light phase, formation of NADP and ATP takes place in light phase. End product as byproduct, that is called oxygen. NADP stands for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. This is the full form. Most of the time the full form or abbreviation form of NADP is asked in the exams. So you have to keep this full form in your mind. Next thing is that the light dependent phase, that is also known as Hill's reaction, and its another term is photochemical reaction, that contain various steps. We can also say that this process is completed within 5 steps. There are total 5 steps. So we will discuss first of all the theory of these steps. Then after these steps we will have to understand by the help of reactions going on inside the chloroplast. Here I would like to tell you that the sunlight, it is captured by the thylakoid structure that is present in the chloroplast, and the water molecule that is covering the leaf through the process ascent of sap, it also reaches towards the membrane, thylakoid membrane. So what happens in this, the end product is there, oxygen, and how this oxygen is produced we will understand. The first step is that due to the sunlight or solar energy, we can say photochemical energy, the excitation of chlorophyll molecules takes place. As we know that the chlorophyll molecules are very sensitive to the light, and due to the drop down of the solar energy, these chlorophyll molecules start vibration. And what happens the next? There will be the water breakdown, molecules breakdown take place. This process is known as photolysis of water. What is the meaning of photolysis? Photons means light energy and lysis means breakdown. Due to the light energy, breakdown of water molecules. As the water molecule will be breakdown, the formation of oxygen take place. We can say that production of molecular O2 will take place. Then the next step is there, photophosphorylation. This photophosphorylation is actually the step of the light dependent phase in which generation of ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate, from ADP, that is adenosine diphosphate. We will understand the last step as the production of reducing agent. Here I would like to confirm you that this ATP role, what is the role of this ATP, NADP? This NADP is actually plays an important role as the carrier of hydrogen. As we are observing here, due to the sunlight trapped by the thylakoid and the water molecule absorbed by the thylakoid, these will be converted into the energy in the form of ATP, and there will be another reducing agent, that is NADP. So this NADP, when the water will be break down into the hydrogen and hydroxy ions, then this hydrogen ion will be sticked by this NADP molecule, and this NADP carries this hydrogen molecule towards the dark phase of the reaction of the process photosynthesis, and during the dark reaction it will be dropped here, and this NADP again go alone itself towards the light phase. So this is the process going on to the NADP. Means we can say this NADP is the reducing agent of the light reaction, but it plays the important role as the carrier of hydrogen for the dark reaction, because hydrogen ion is important for the dark reaction in the stroma. So that is the theory of the light dependent phase, that is also called Hill's reaction.